All you need for this is some tights and some scissors. So, all you need to do is cut basically just like the spot in between the legs where it meets, and then cut like however much off at the end. You might want to cut off just a little bit and then put it on and then see where it sits, and then if you want to cut off more then you can, but if you cut off too much then you can't really put it back on, so you want to be kind of careful with how much you cut off. Unless you want it to be at a certain length, then sure, but you know, you want to cut off a little bit at a time, because once you cut too much then you can't go back. So yeah, just a warning there. And then also you might want to adjust the spot in between the legs where your neck is going to be, because when I first cut it, then it ended up being a little bit small and it kind of squished my shoulders and my neck a little bit too much, so I was like, yeah, that doesn't feel nice, so I'm just gonna cut just a little bit more, so then it ended up being enough. So yeah, and yeah, you basically want to put it on like a normal shirt. The part that usually goes around your waist will basically be upside down and be still kind of around your waist, but like the other way around. And then your face or your neck is gonna be where, you know, I don't know if YouTube's gonna be mad at me for if I say a certain word or not, but you know, it's gonna be in the in between the legs spot. So that's all I'm gonna say. I don't want YouTube to get mad at me. But yeah, and then your hands will be where the feet part was. So yeah. Anyways, I think that's kind of it. It's pretty easy, pretty simple, but yeah. I know you can get shirts that are kind of like this that are already made, but like, you know, sometimes those stores that you can get those at are kind of a lot and overpriced, so, you know, I'm just gonna be like, yeah, I don't know. Just, you can get fishnets for like not that much, so, you know, you could go with this and just cut them up a little bit and it'll be fine. So yeah, anyways, I guess that's it. So bye.